Greetings everyone, this is Danny from HarrTravel.com, your Royal Caribbean suite experts, and today I'm on board the beautiful Serenade of the Seas. Now this beautiful suite is an owner suite here on board. We're going to walk through the entire space, but before we do, I just wanted to remind you, when you are ready to book your next Royal Caribbean cruise, make sure you do it right on HarrTravel.com. You can take advantage of our interactive deck plans to pick the perfect room or suite for you, your friends, family, or group, and get that Harr Travel signature service. Now let's check this space out. Now it's a very large suite. As soon as you walk in the door, you can really see how it opens up. So the door's right there. You actually have a bit of storage on either side. Now the living room space here can actually be a second bedroom, but it also is the perfect option for a couple or a group of friends that just want to spread out. Now you're gonna have a ton of storage along here. So if this is a bedroom, you can see you're gonna have hanging storage all the way along. You're gonna have drawers as well where you can tuck things away. That's gonna continue along the side here. You've got more storage up and down there. Your mini fridge that's fully stocked upon your arrival is just below. And you're gonna see your Lavazza coffee maker. Now I start my day every single day at home with an Italian coffee. I love that I can do that right here on board. You can also take advantage of the expansive room service menu, or you can also dine in room right here at your dining room table. Now, whatever it is that you're celebrating, make sure that you let us and Royal Caribbean know this room's set up for a birthday right now so that we can show you what it's all about. Now you have a really large sectional sofa here. So it wraps all the way around. It's a perfect space for entertaining, or that would convert into a bed if you're using it as a bedroom space. You've got a large chair over there in the corner with an ottoman, coffee table right there in the middle, and then another side table here. Now directly across, you're gonna find your large flat panel TV. It's interactive, so you can watch television and see what's going on throughout the ship. You've got more storage underneath, and this unique feature where it actually will flip around, and then you can utilize it for the bedroom as well. Now this is a one bedroom suite. This curtain's gonna pull shut, so I can slide it all the way across here, and then that way you're gonna get that extra level of separation that turns it into a bedroom space. Now you've got one of the Royal king size beds that can be split apart if you'd like, where you can have two twin bed configuration. You're also gonna have nightstands on either side. I do love that they have drawers where you can tuck things away. There aren't any plugs, so I always bring an extra battery backup so that I can charge it during the day, and I can use it to charge my devices in the evening. Now over here, you're gonna find your vanity and writing desk. So you've got a large mirror right there. There's two lights, so it's backlit. You're gonna have storage on either side here. You also have a magnifying mirror, and then more storage underneath here with the drawers, and then on the other side as well. Now there is two US plugs and a Euro plug. I always bring an extra Euro adapter so I can utilize all of them, but because it's pretty close to the bed, you can also use it for the nightstand as well. Over here, you're gonna have more storage up and down, including your safe, big enough for passport, wallet, small electronics, but not quite big enough for a laptop. Let's head into the bathroom space. Because it's a top suite, you do have a bidet and a toilet. You've got a large double vanity here. You're gonna see you have those upgraded bath amenities from both Gilchrist and Soames and Malin & Getz, two very, very wonderful brands. You've got storage behind the mirrors and then a little bit underneath. You've got a large jacuzzi soaking tub over here to the side. They do have a shower wand in there, but I really, really love that they have a separate step-in shower. I'm 6'6", I'm a big guy, I can fit in here. You've got an adjustable shower wand and then more of those upgraded bath amenities. Now we're out on your private veranda space. You've got a table and two chairs out here. It's that perfect place to take advantage of the expanded room service menu. You also can have a nice cup of coffee in the morning, cocktail in the evening, and really take in the beautiful ocean views and of course that fresh sea air. One of the things that we love about cruising. Now keep in mind, because this is a full suite, you're gonna get to take advantage of the suite lounge. They're gonna have a cocktail happy hour there each and every evening. Of course, the services of the concierge. You also have a sun deck space and special seating in the theaters, and lots of other amenities that you'll have with the full suite. Now on the far side of the balcony, you're gonna have two lounge chairs here and a little bit more deck space, but you can see inside and outside combined to a phenomenal amount of space here. Now when you're ready to book this beautiful suite or any room or suite with Royal Caribbean, Celebrity Cruises, or Silversea, make sure you do it right on HarrTravel.com. You can take advantage of the interactive deck plans to pick the perfect room or suite for you, your friends, family, or group, and get that Harr Travel signature service.